Hi, my name is Pratap Singh and I am here to complete the recording for Snowflake Essentials Web UI course project work. And I will begin with all the 5 tasks in sequential manner. So first task is stating my name with either favorite color, animal or food. So my name is Pratap Singh and I'm based in Bangalore, India. And my favorite animal is dog. The number 2 task is mention something that I like about Snowflake. So there are multiple things that I like about Snowflake, but I would want to talk about 3 things. Number 1, it provides a very easy to understand DBMS-based NC SQL kind of interface for a NoSQL database, which I find it to be very interesting. Number 2, it cuts down on any kind of admin or configuration activity before you can actually start using the Snowflake tool as such for development or analytics. And number 3 would be the cost factor. Snowflake, in my opinion, is one of the cheapest option available for cloud-based development. Number 3 is the task that I have to show is that Mintical report card for the Essential Web UI course, and I will take you there. So I'm going to my profile. And here it shows Snowflake Web UI Essentials 97%, which in my opinion is good. And I'll show you the point score as well. And it seems to be a bit slow somehow. Yeah, it is. So 8166 out of 8400. So let us go back. Okay. Yeah. So the next task is showing the URL for Snowflake account. Yeah, so here it is, my account. PPC, Pratap Singh, that is. Next task is running the scripts and showing the results. So I've already downloaded the script content. Here are the scripts, and I in fact pasted them here. And I will run them. This is script 1. And here it goes. That's it. Script 2. And here it goes. And the script 3. And here it goes. So load files, download files. And what else? So yeah, that's it. I'm stopping the recording and I'll upload this on the Mantical website. Thank you.